For the eastbound closure, the detour would be to get off on 220, and either you can continue heading north to 55, and then you would go back 55 south back to 20, or you could go 220 to 80, and then once you get past Ellis Avenue, you could get back on at Gallatin Street. October the 25th, we will again close the interstate, but this time it'll be westbound, and so that detour will involve getting off on I-55, heading north to 220, and then back down to I-20 westbound. The other thing that kind of complicates this particular detour is the on-ramp onto I-55 from County Line Road will be shut, and so if you're on County Line Road, you will not be able to get on to I-55 there. So we really want to let the public know that County Line Road, that on-ramp will be closed. So you probably want to plan your route before you get there.